Hey lads, TechScanning here. Though for some reason, after tons of rumors, the Galaxy S22 Fan Edition never sees the light of day. But news are surrounding that the Samsung Fan Edition series is not dead. Instead, Samsung is planning to launch the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition in the last quarter of 2023 with a number of good upgrades. So, earlier, a well-known publication claimed that the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition will offer one of the biggest upgrades, and that will be a 50-megapixel main camera sensor instead of the 12-megapixel on the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. And now a recent report from a Dutch publication, which they said is from their reliable sources, also confirmed the same camera upgradation. And they even add that the 50-megapixel on the S23 Fan Edition will be the same unit as we saw on the last year's Galaxy S22 and the recent Galaxy S23. Further, if we look at the history, the Galaxy S20 and the S21 Fan Editions are using the same 12-megapixel primary camera as the standard Galaxy S20 and the S21. So, since Samsung has upgraded the main sensor on the standard Galaxy S23, we guess the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition will also get the benefit of the same upgrade. Apart from the main camera sensor, the rumor mill is silent for the other camera sensors and how many cameras the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition will have. So we see the Galaxy S23 series launched this year is only powered by the Snapdragon processor. However, reports suggest that this is not going to be the case with the Fan Edition device, and it is taped to come with Samsung's in-house developed Exynos 2200 chipset. Yes, the same one that we saw on the Galaxy S22 series. It is now around 2 years old chip, so hopefully we will get a much optimized performance. Besides the chipset, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is expected to hold a 4500 mAh of battery capacity, which will be coupled with 25-watt fast charging speed. So, are you excited about the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition? Drop your thoughts below in the comment section. Anyway, if we go by the information, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition seems like a solid device, especially in terms of the camera sensor. Of course, I will keep you updated whenever new information pop up, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.